Well, manimony is a new term for a growing trend. As women earn more than their husbands in the workplace, many find they are footing the bill in divorce as well, supporting their exes with alimony.
But love cost J-Lo plenty. When she and Chris Judd split after 8 months of marriage, she paid him $14 million. Britney Spears picked up the tab for K-Fed's divorce attorney, then added another $1 million for spousal support. Tom Arnold walked away from Roseanne with a cool $50 million.
When the women are the breadwinners or have the bigger bank account, they can expect in an unhappy divorce for the husband to go straight for the checkbook.
It's not just Hollywood wives who are paying alimony, or as some call it, manimony. Women are now the top earners in a third of all marriages.
He was going to stay home with the kids, and I was going to go out and earn a living.
Throughout her 6-year marriage, Alexis Martin Neely was the breadwinner. But when her once happy marriage turned into an angry divorce, this mother of two agreed to pay her ex $4,000 a month.
I do feel like I gave him more than I needed to, and I should mention that he feels like he's not getting enough.
We'd like to think that we could have a female president, but when it comes to a man who might be receiving spousal support from his ex-wife, well, then we tend to look at him as if he's a deadbeat or he's lazy.
I am the one who found this house. I bought everything in it with my money.
Divorce was a battleground in the movie The War of the Roses, and some say that's not far off the mark, no matter which spouse is writing the checks.
Here's this woman who goes out and she wants to achieve, and yet she might have a husband who wants to lay on the couch and watch Oprah all day. I mean, in that kind of a situation, you could certainly understand how that woman might spit on the check every month when she sends it out.
It's a part of equal rights. We asked for it, we got it. So we have to pay it. But men are asking and men are getting.
Alexis agrees manimony is a fair trade-off because her ex is the perfect stay-at-home dad.
I can stay stuck in this place of railing against it. Why did I do this? Or I can say, okay, this is the situation. He doesn't work. I want him to be able to spend time with the kids. And I have the capacity to make money and to make a lot more money if I just accept, forgive, and move on.
Joining us to discuss this growing trend is Paul Talbert, a divorce lawyer. Good morning, Paul.
Good morning, Julie.
All right. Is this only in cases where the woman has to make more money than her husband?
You're only going to find them in situations where the wife does make more money than the husband. There's no such thing as marital compensation. So it's usually just to allow one of the spouses to enjoy the standard of living that they did for some period of time after the marriage is over.
Okay, I want you to be completely honest in answering this next question. Who is more bitter in the cases you've seen about writing that monthly check? The women who have to pay the alimony or the men who have to pay the alimony? Be honest.
I think it's the women. The women are definitely more upset about paying it because the men, I think at this point, they're used to it. They hear it. Men know that they may be in for paying alimony. The women, on the other hand, I think it's a great shock a lot of the time. They say, what do you mean? I have to pay money to him? Why? He didn't work. But
are these the same women who are trying to get money from the husband in the divorce, or they just simply don't want to pay that monthly check?
These are the women that are the big earners in the family, and they're already paying money out for when they divide the marital property, and they're saying, wait, he's already getting half of what I made during the marriage. You're telling me I need to pay money to him afterwards? And if we're going to treat the sexes equally in divorce, that is going to happen.
Do kids make a difference in this?
I think kids make a difference when the husband stays home to take care of the kids. That gives the husband a better claim for alimony because he's saying, I sacrificed my career for your career.
Did we ask for it, us women wanting all this equality? You don't have to answer that. Paul Talbert, thank you so much.